Thank you. Minister, how are you?
The group consists of the Honourable Senator Bob Carr, Foreign Minister of Australia, the Honourable Anapala, Papua New Guinea Foreign Minister, the Vanuatu Foreign Minister, Honourable Alfred Kalo, and Tuvalu Foreign Minister, Honourable Abisai Elimia, and Honourable Fiame Naomi Mataafa, the Minister for Justice from Samoa. I'd like to, Honourable Ministers, I would like to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of our Acting Prime Minister, the people and the government of Fiji. I'd like to just say that Fiji, since its suspension in 2009, Fiji has become a strong, independent nation, and also a good global citizen. We have found that as we develop our Look North policy, that we have many friends out there who have shown understanding towards our cause and what we are doing here in Fiji. We have established missions in the past 2 years in all the regions around the world. And we have been very fortunate that we have many friends out there who have expressed understanding on our roadmap and what we are doing. What Honourable Ministers, we look forward to our deliberations tomorrow, and I'm sure you will have first-hand information on the Fiji situation and the work that's been done towards the elections in 2014. But welcome to Fiji, and please enjoy the evening.
The Acting Prime Minister, Ministers, the members of the diplomatic community, members of the judiciary, members of the commercial community who are here, and of course the delegations that have come as part of the Ministerial Contact Group of the Pacific Forum. I just want to say very briefly to you tonight that the members of our delegation are grateful not just for the hospitality afforded to us tonight, but also for the invitation that has been given to us to come here for our meeting tomorrow. Can I in particular record our thanks to Ratu Inoke, Foreign Minister for Fiji, who has been such a constructive influence in these proceedings and so helpful in organising a good program for us tomorrow. I just want to say to you that we have come here in a positive spirit. We have come here to be constructive. We have come here to try and find a good pathway forward. We all are part of a greater Pacific neighbourhood, and we need to work together. That is why we are here. I look forward to a constructive day tomorrow. I look forward to more constructive days after tomorrow. Thank you very much. We look forward to engaging with you formally tomorrow and informally tonight. Thank you.